Hi, everybody. Bird's grooming Mama. Oh, thank you, pretty. Oh, thank you. Oh. All right. Be careful, Mama's got long hair. Come and eat. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, pretty bird. Oh, thank you. Ah. And then this is the end result. It is so good. Look, Mama looks so pretty. Thank you for getting Mama all nice and cleaned up. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, pretty bird. Oh, thank you. So if you value nice hair, that it doesn't get matted every time you try to cuddle with your pet, Goose is not for you. Thank you, baby. No? Oh, Mama groom a pretty bird too. Oh, pretty. Oh, pretty. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. What are you doing? Ah, you getting it all. Ah, you attacking the phone? Free bird attacked everybody. You give everybody else some grooms too? Did you groom everybody else? Did you groom everybody? Did you groom the pretty bird flock? Yes, you did. All right, pretty. Tell everybody, say, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, say welcome to all the new subscribers, and we'll see you next time, okay? Leave your comments and share the video. Tell them, pretty bird. Say please. Pretty bird's busy eating my hair. Silly bird. Alrighty, y'all. Love y'all. Bye-bye. I love you. Love you. Bye-bye.